Hello children, how are you all? Now, today in English, we are going to write in workbook. This is your workbook. Now first, I'll explain the first lesson, that is meet my family. Okay, now all of you open your workbook, page number 9. Page number 9. Now, here a boy and a girl, they are twins. Twins means two together they have born with a minute's difference. So, the boy's name is Ali and the girl's name is Sarah. Now, they want to introduce their family to us. Now, Ali lives with his mother and father. Ali lives with his mother and father and has a twin sister, Sarah. Ali is having a twin sister and her name is Sarah. Now, ding dong, the doorbell rings. So if someone come to your house, they will knock the door or they will ring the bell, doorbell, isn't it? So, like that only, Ali's doorbell has rung and father opens the door. Ali's father went and opened the door. Ali and Sarah see grandfather and grandmother at the door. So, Ali's father opened the door and Ali and Sarah saw their grandparents. Their grandparents came to their house. They came to their house. Now, grandfather and grandmother come in. So, if anyone come to your house, when you open the door, will you stop them there only? No, you have to welcome them inside. You have to ask them to come inside. So, Ali and Sarah also did the same thing. When they saw their grandparents, they opened, after Ali's father opened the door, they saw grandparents and Ali and Sarah, they asked their grandparents to come in. They hugged Ali and Sarah. So immediately after they saw Ali and Sarah, their grandparents came and hugged them. Okay. Now, mother smiles and greets grandfather and grandmother. So, when anyone, elder people come to your house, even you can see your parents also, they wish them. Okay. Now, Ali takes the bag from grandfather. Ali takes the bag from grandfather. The grandfather was carrying a bag and Ali immediately, he took the bag from his grandfather. Sarah takes the basket from grandmother and grandmother was carrying a basket in her hand. Sarah took basket and Ali took bag from his grandfather. They all go into the house. So they all went into the house. Mother shuts the door. So now listen carefully. Father opened the door. And mother, after they coming inside the house, who shut the door? Mother shut the door. Got it? Now here you have some bits. Now you have to write them in your workbook. So be with your workbook ready. Take your pencil and I will tell you, I'll explain you here. You have to write. Got it? Now, page number 11. Now, first bit, first one. See here. Ali opens the door. You have to write whether it is true or false. Okay. Now, who opened the door? Father opened the door. But here they are asking, Ali opens the door. Is it true or false? It's false. So you write false. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Now second one. Grandmother has a basket. who was having a basket and who was having the bag in their hand? Grandfather was having bag. Grandfather was having bag. And grandmother basket. So grandmother has a basket. True or false? True. Next. Ali takes grandfather's bag. Ali takes grandfather's bag. Ali took the bag from his grandfather only, isn't it? So this is also true. Now next. Father shuts the door. Father shuts the door. Was father shutting the door or mother? Mother closed the door, isn't it? Shuts means closing the door. So this is false again. Father opened the door and mother closed the door. So that is false. Now second one, you have second bit, you have 3 circles like this. A, B and C. You have 3 circles there. Now again they gave here options. Now I'll read and you have to tick in the correct circle. You have to tick in the correct circle. See here. Ali has a twin sister, brother or friend. Yes, sister. Ali has a twin sister. So in first circle you should tick it. Second one. Grandmother hugs mother. Ali and Sarah, father. So grandmother, for whom grandmother has given a hug? Ali and Sarah. So B, second one. Now next, C. Grandfather has bag, book, basket. So what was grandfather carrying in his hand? Bag. So first one. C is first one. Got it? You have to write in your workbook. This one, page number 11. Now next, page number 12. Page number 12. Here, a girl went for a fishing. A girl went for a fishing in a small lake. She wanted to catch the fishes. But there, fishes were not there. Some things are there. And here, see the picture carefully in page number 12. A girl was sitting to catch the fishes. Can you see the fishes here? No, but some things are there. Now, here you have to write this. What things you have? 10 things you have to write. In what things are there in the water. But you have to write them in alphabetical order, not just writing. You have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Means A, B, C, D, like that. What words comes, you have to write them. Got it? Now I will write on the board. You have to see and write it. Okay? Now next page, I told you, no, you have to write. 12th page, you have to write the things what you can find in the water according to the alphabetical order. Now first you see the things. So first one, A. With A, do you have any picture here? No. Do you have any picture with A? No. With B? Yes. Bottle. So B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. Next, C. Now A finished, B finished. C. With C, do you have any picture? Yes. Cup. So C-U-P. Cup. Now next, C finished. Next with D. Do you have any picture with D? Yes, it's doll. So you write D-O-L-L, doll. Now next, D finished. Do you have with E? No. F? Yes, you have fan. F-A-N, fan. Now next, F after G. Do you have with G? Yes, you have a glass. So, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Next, after glass G, next you have with H. Do you have with H? Yes, that is hat. H-A-T, hat. Next, do you have with I? No. And with J? Yes, it's jug. J-U-G, jug. Now next, do you have with K? The pictures can you find with K? No. With L? Yes, lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. Now next, L after M. With M? No. N? No. O? No. P? Yes, you have a plate here. So, P-L-A-T-E, plate. Now next, after P, do you have with Q? No. R? No. S? Yes, you have a spoon. So, S-P-O-O-N. Finished all the 10? What you have in the water? Bottle, cup, doll, fan, glass, hat, jug, lamp, plate and spoon. Got it? Write neatly. Now next, going to the next page, that is page number 13. Page number 13. Now again you have to write here. These are nouns. Again we will revise once again the nouns. Okay. Now I told you about page number 13, that already we have learnt the naming words. Already we have learned the naming words. What are naming words? What are nouns? A name of a person, place, animal or a thing are called naming words or nouns. Noun, what is a noun means? A name of a person, place, animal or a thing are called nouns or a naming words. Now here you can see a bag here, and in that bag they have mentioned some spellings. Okay, now you have to choose the correct word and write in the fill in the blanks. See here, pencil, tree, moon, boy and dog. Now they gave fill in the blanks here. You have to choose the correct word here and you have to write it. Now first one, Rahul is a dash. Rahul is a pencil, tree, moon, dog and boy. Boy. Rahul is a boy. Next, the dash shines at night. The dash shines at night. What shines at night in the sky? It's moon. So, M-O-O-N, moon. Now next, I write with a pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Next, Scooby is a brown dog. Scooby is a brown dog. It's a dog's name. Now next, I can see a mango tree. I can see a mango tree. Got it? Now, after writing this, now again you have here some more naming words. See here, they have given here some naming words. From these words, where you have to put the correct word. See here, they have given here person, place, animal and thing. So you should put the correct word in correct place. Okay. Now I'll write on the board. You have to write here again. Got it? Now second bit. Now here they gave some words, isn't it? Now you have to write them here. Now I'll read these words and we will write here down. Okay. Now first one, sister. Sister will come under which place? Person name or place, animal or thing? Sister is a person. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Second one, ball. Ball is a thing. So here, ball is a thing. Next, bus. Bus also is a thing only. It can't move, isn't it? Bus also is a thing. Next, lion. Lion is a animal. L-I-O-N. Lion. Next, father. Father is a name of a person. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Next, house. House is a place where you live. House is a place where you live. So you have to write under place. H-O-U-S-E. House. Next, teacher. A teacher is a person. Who teaches you? T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Teacher is a person. Next, school. School is a place where you go and learn something. So you have to write under place. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Next, fox. Fox is an animal. Fox is an animal. Next, rabbit. Rabbit is an animal only. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit is also an animal. Next, doll. Doll is a thing. Doll is a thing. The last one, road. Road is a place where you walk. Road is a place where you walk. You can see some vehicles moving on the road. So it is a place. Okay. Now next page, you do one thing, children. Page number, that is page number 14. Okay. Page number 14. Here you have to write about yourself. See here, my name is, first one. You have to write your name. Next, I am dash years old. How many years old? You have to write that. Next, I am a, if you are a boy, you write B-O-Y, boy. If you are a girl, you write G-I-R-L, girl. Next, I live in, means which place do you live? Name of your city. Okay, you have to mention name of your city, where you live. Next, I study in, the name of your school. You have to write name of the school. Next, I like to eat. What would you like to eat? Now, some people like to eat chapatis, idli, pizza, like that. Whatever you like, fruits, vegetables, whatever you like, you can write here. And I like to play. What games you like to play? You have to write here. And after writing this, here you paste your photo. You paste your photo. Okay, got it? You complete all this in your workbook. Okay, thank you.